Woke up this morning and the market was literally right there starting out at open and just didn't really have any just super solid setups. Took a couple trades, gave profit back, tried to make some money, tried to make something happen, but that's not always how it goes. So I'm kind of happy that we were able to manage our, risk today, manage the losses, come out ahead a little bit, but still, kind of just a choppy overall day. Not a lot of really good volatility, more so just kind of chopping around, kind of some false breakdowns, false breakups, and all of that. So we're going to show you guys the trades here today, trading live in this video. So let's get to it. All right, so it's Monday morning. We're getting ready for the market to open, and I'm not very excited about where we're opening at right here because we're opening at basically all-time highs. The market last night pulled back to the 160 area, and then this morning we're at the 177 here. So if you're looking at the SPY, you're like at 417. That's like all-time high. 417.20 area was the all-time high on the SPY, and that's where we're pretty much at right now. So here we go. What do? We just keep going higher and higher and higher forever? I don't know. We're going to have to trade what we get today. But if you're wondering what I'm wearing right now, I didn't have any black shirts left. I have some green shirts and some other colored shirts, but green would obviously not work with the background, so I had to wear this shirt. I don't have any black shirts to wear, so sorry about my costume or my wardrobe malfunction today. But you're only here to see this beautiful face anyway, so let's be honest. Here we go. We got about 20 seconds here till the market opens. The issue now, like I said, is me chasing this, is there's really no support. I mean, until maybe down here in the 174, that previous little resistance area. And then after that, we have support down at the 165s. So there's not really anywhere for me to risk off of on this trade. And I don't want to risk 5 handles first trade of the day, even though it's just going higher. I just don't have the risk to reward isn't there for me right now, so we can't really enter. And that's the frustrating part, because obviously, I want to take a trade here. I want to make some money, but at the same time, I don't really want to just enter a trade because there's not a reason to enter. So that's what we're trying to figure out here. Starting to look like we might sell down here a little bit, so I'm going to short there 181, risking off that high so far. Like I said, I don't love it at all, but there might be an opportunity for small short here. Pull back to the maybe 178, 177 area here. We'll see. We're getting some top wicks on those candles. Getting some wicks on the tops of those candles. That's another thing that I'm looking at here. I'm looking a little, little toppy up there. So let's see if we can't get down into the 170s here. 179.50 there. Taking a just quick stab at this. Don't, like I said, don't want to push our luck here because this has just been going straight to the moon, and that might have been our only pullback. Damn it. The SPY pushed up there to the 418 and then pulled back already. So let's see. I'm gonna watch that 418 level here. Might just have to get out of it right away. I'd like to get down here into at least, like I said, the 79 area. Give it some time. See if we can get a little there at 81.50. There we go. Getting one contract there. We can go lower here. I'm going to move my stop to right there, because if this does start to squeeze out, I might just switch right to going long here if this pushes above 418. Just so I can put it right above that candle there. But still, I kind of want to just get into it here, I think. I'm going to get out. And then look to see if this starts to squeeze up here above 83.50. We'll jump in because it's going to break 418 on the SPY. Well, there's the pullback we were looking for. Up there to the 83.50, pulling back to 80.70.50 now. So let's see if we can get a better pullback here for a long entry. I feel like now shorting it would just be a chase. So we'll see what we get here. Maybe down in the 79.50 area would be our entry for a long, like down here. Wow, look at that. Let's see if I can jump in there at 78.50. Might need to risk a little bit more there. Wow, look at that drop. Oh my gosh. I should have stayed short there. Did I just get closed out? My stop went through? God damn it. What the hell was that? I thought I canceled my stop, but I guess I got filled. Huh. Interesting. So on this move here, I want to, 79s is what I'm looking for. Minimum here. Probably get a little higher, maybe like close to the 80s. Push back up here to the 80s on this move. We're in at 76.50, so we're looking for 3 to 4 handles here. Let's see if we can get 79.50. Take that one, and then hold these last 2 contracts. See if we can't get a bigger push back up here, risking off that 75 level. I'm not sure why I got stopped out earlier. I thought I canceled my stop, but I guess I didn't. I don't know. Interesting. Very, very, very interesting there. We'll see if we can push up to the 80s in here, in the 81 maybe. Nice little bounce back here. That was really beautiful short and a nice little bounce back, so should have been able to really capitalize both ways, but is what it is. Focused on the next trade, not the last trade, right? See if we can't push up to the 80.50 area here. Take another contract there at 80.50 or higher. Getting up there 82 now. Still pushing. Still pushing. Still pushing. See if I can push on the 82s here. Really pushing back beautifully. I can't believe I got stopped out earlier. That would have made my P&L, instead of that $40 loss, we'd be up like $30, $40 right now instead. So, like I said, you know, is what it is. See if we can push through 82 right here. We got to push through 82 here. There we go. Trying to push up there to the highs, 83s. Still got that one contract left here. See how much we can milk it for. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, buying the dip, selling the rip. Let's see if I can take it there at 82. Not going to be greedy here. That's plenty for our risk reward there. And then we'll look for this breakout here. I think we can push through this right here. Push through that resistance there, 83.50. The SPY looking like she wants 418 or higher here. Trying to get 84s here. Getting an 84. I'm gonna play cautious here and try to take that profit just because we might get a reversal here because we kind of touched 418. A little bit of a pullback there. A little bit of a pullback there. See if we can get like maybe down in here. Make a kind of a higher low in this area here for an entry. Oh wow. Getting a big dip there down to the 180s. Might have been a little early with my entry there. But yeah, that's a little worrisome. Let's see if I can get one more fill down there. The 180 area. Looking for a push up there above 84s. See if we can get a little bit there, 84.75. I always hate when I put like an order, then it doesn't get filled and it drops like 1 cent, 25 cents below my target there. But we'll keep it. I think we can push above the high here. Kind of move my stop to the bottom of that candle there. Minimizing my risk if we don't push above this high. Kind of want to give this a little bit more room here and try to maybe add a little bit into this pullback here. Looks like we're getting denied right there, so let's see if this holds that 180.50, that 180.50 area here. We got the VWAP on the SPY right now, everything lining up with support right there. You can see just those last 4 candles touching down there to the VWAP, that area, that support area. We got that little EMA as well there, so we got we got a reason. We got a good reason here to get a bounce, but we'll see if that momentum we'll see if that momentum can continue here. We are just you know, at all-time highs. All-time highs. Woo! The market never stops. So getting stopped out there. Well, look at that pullback, and so now we'll just wait and see if we can get a breakout to the upside. I don't. Maybe should have had my stop a little bit wider. I can't. Oh wow! Look at that. Oh, that's painful. This is. Wow. Well, how is that even possible? Why me? Literally. Oh, no. Wow. Look at that pushback up there. Oh, man. You got to love it. You just got to love it sometimes. I swear. It's just too classic. I cannot believe I got stopped. Yeah. All right, so we're going to give this a little time. Let this one really kind of work its way out. I think this is going to want to push above the high of day so far. So I'm going to let this one, you know, really try to maximize profit here. Get up there above the 85s, 86s, and see if we can't get a nice little squeeze going. All right, so we're pushing back up there. We're going to see if we can get a push above that 85 here. I can't believe this thing right now, man. This market is insane. I'm going to see if I can get filled there at 85.25. Just don't want to, you know, there's no point. Oh, my gosh, come on. 85, fill me. Fill me there. I want to get filled something up there. Come on. Let's go. There we go. All right, let's hold the rest. We got 5 contracts left. Looking for a push above 85.50 here. We're going to move our stop basically to break even at this point, just in case we get some dumb action here. If we can't push above this. Come on now. She wants to go. Like, can you take me higher, higher? It just wants to go, but it just doesn't want to go. It wants to go, but it's not going. What's happening? What's happening? This is the problem with trading. We're like we're at this point now. We're just at this all-time high. So it's just this constant battle of like madness. You know, we're just madness, absolute madness out here today. See if we can push 85 or higher. I love to see 86s here. I think it's very, very doable to squeeze up here. Maybe even like higher than that. So we'll just kind of let this one ride a little bit. I mean, come on, baby. Let's see, maybe get one more contract up here just to lock it down. That way I have 4 contracts left. I think we're pretty good rolling with 4 contracts into this push up here. I'm gonna move my stop, like, whoa. I'll move my stop to like right there. That way, if this does want to just pull back, at least get out for some type of profit instead of letting this go back down to my stop at the break-even area. If it doesn't want to break above 85 here. Look at how beautifully this held the VWAP on all those candles. Pretty impressive to see how strong that VWAP is. We got the cross of the EMA there, so it's just time to go to the moon, I think. It's gonna go. It's just gonna go. It's going so high today, baby. Let's go. Let's go. I think when they're at 85, just in case we get stopped, in case we just stop at 85 right here, just to lock that down. And again, keep my stop there at the 83. See if we can't push above the high of day so far. Can you take me higher, higher? The high of day really holding us down right now. Let me see if I can get another one and fill to 85 there, just to lock it down. Might as well. We got 2 contracts left. We'll see if this will want to push above the high of day. If not, looks like we might just be kind of getting out there. Well, it looks like we might get stopped out here. And I think I'm probably going to be done if I get stopped out here, I'm going to be done because this action, you can see, we really only went, 5 handles on these moves, 5 handles up, 5 handles down, 5 handles up. Just not conducive to trading, at least, in a profitable way. So I think at that point, it's just better for me to kind of just walk away, let it be. As you can see, like literally this morning, market open, we went up 5 handles, we pulled back 5 handles, we went up. That one was a little bit better, like 10 handles there, but 5 handles just kind of chopping around there and just not doing what we needed to do. So I think it's just better to, call it a small day. We survived. We had some kind of, we had some decent setups. We had some decent trades. I think I just, my stop was a little tight. We literally got stopped out like 2 or 3 times just because of my stop being too tight. Not because the price really moved against us, but just because like this candle here stopped me out. Like literally it hit my stop and then went back up. I think I got stopped out over here as well. So it is what it is. And, just part of it. Sometimes it's good just to have these kind of days where you just gotta, identify. Like it's going to go back up now. Oh my gosh. I can't believe, whatever. It is what it is. All right. So there it is. I'll talk to you guys later on.